is my last video for the video series on sharing my training plan for the sub 1 hour 10 kilometer race. So for this part, it's LSD. So before, in 2022, my LSDs was 12 kilometers, and I did that once a month. It's longer, so you could build your endurance better. It's always that key, if your race is at 10 kilometers, specifically just for 10 kilometers, at the very least, your LSD should be 12 kilometers. For the PF 2024 sub 1 hour 10 kilometer race, what the training plan recommended to me was I do 2 LSDs twice a month, which was at 20 kilometers, twice the distance. So I really could build the endurance. Then also, another modified LSD was do 10 kilometers, very easy pace, followed by 3 to 4 kilometers, max effort, tempo pace, then cool down for another 2 kilometers. So with that, you're just not just building your endurance, but also trying to test yourself na when you're really tired because you really did 10 kilometers of easy pace, can you still push yourself further and really see if you can maintain that speed. So this concludes my video series for sharing my training plan to achieve a sub 1 hour 10 kilometer race. Hope this helps. Thank you.